10 years ago, this is how I thought I'll make my first $100,000. First, I will take several years to save $10,000. Then I'll make a very good investment. Next slide. Then this investment will 10x, right? For some magical reason, the value will just 10x overnight. Ta-da! And then I'll get $100,000. So that's my expectation. In reality, I did save my $10,000. It was very difficult. Yeah. But when I tried to invest it, I was very disappointed. Why? Because next slide. Because it only grew by $1,200, right? So actually, it's only 12%. But actually, if you look at today's market returns, actually 12% a year is not bad lah. So actually, I just didn't know what I was doing. I had unrealistic expectations. But I mean, 12% is definitely not 1,000% lah. So I was very disappointed. So I have two takeaways from this episode, and I hope you can learn from it. The first is to have a clear understanding of what reasonable returns are, right? So reasonable returns is not something like growing your capital by 1,000% within a year, or even 100% within a year consistently. I think during do you guys remember the crypto market of 2021? Well, I think back then people were saying if you never 100x your money by end of year, you are a loser. Then they will say things like have fun staying poor, but actually now they are the poor ones because they put too much money in cryptocurrency.